I have to leave for work at 2:40 and it's 2:30. Should I walk into work like this? Say nah, say nah. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deaja, but you can call me D, and this is day 8 of my Slaytober series, where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Today is inspired by Medusa. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. So first, I'm about to fill in my brows with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. Hold on, be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet. So I'm using my Studio Finish Concealer by MAC in the shade NW40. And this is what I'm going to use to clean up under my brows. So I'm using this concealer. Can you put yourself on mute? I'm using this concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used it in so long, but it's in the shade Cache Cernes. I think Cache Cernes is concealer in Spanish, so I think the shade is really 3.75.
Don't tell me to be quiet for that.
No, I am. So starting with the eyeshadow, the first thing I'm going to go in with is this black from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. This is my favorite black. As you can tell, I hit the pan, but this black is so black, that's why I like it. It's called Black Truffle, and that's what I'm about to put all over my lid. So shut up. Shut up.
I'm not sure I done.
Shut up.
Don't do that.
So I'm using the matte book from the crayon case, and the color that I'm going to go in with is this dark green color right on top of that black.
You don't have to tell me shit like that, girl. They get it. You just did the other eye. You have to keep reminding them.
Bitch, I did the other eye on TikTok. Mind your business. So right on top of that dark green, I'm going to go in with this light green from that same palette. I think I want to add a little bit of yellow up on the top just to bring it out some more. And I'm using the yellow from my favorite yellow palette, this Juvia's Place, the Nomads by the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to use this yellow right here. I'm going to like put it, oh yeah, that's what I want. So I'm about to go ahead and jump into my face. I'm using my Smashbox foundation in the shade Warm to Dark. No, in the shade Warm Peach, Medium to Dark.
Now that you know what you're using, I can like spray my stuff down?
Yeah. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11. That's what I'm going to conceal with. So I'm about to set my face with my Makeup Revolution Child! Just stop what you're doing. I'm about to set my face with my Makeup Revolution translucent setting powder.
And you told me to shut up for that. You could just say be quiet. You don't gotta say shut up.
I be saying be quiet, Shine. You don't be hearing the be quiet part.
So just say be quiet a little louder.
You only hear the shut up. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to create my scales. You want to keep it still the whole time. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is the dark green from the crayon case. This is what I'm going to contour with. You want to kind of keep the net as still as possible. Now I'm going to go with that yellow. I don't want to move my face too much because I don't want to move the net. So I'm going to dive deep in that yellow, real deep. Okay, now I'm going to take this off. My scales didn't come out too good, but that's okay because that just means I have to go back and clean it up. Didn't want to, but it's okay. Before I go over and clean it up, I'm going to go with my Beats by Deb Cosmetics loose highlight, and I'm going to put this all over to add some more shim shim. I don't have the top to this, so it's kind of hard for me to get more glitter out without making a mess and without wasting product. So I just be having to take the L and make a mess and waste product. Now I'm going to go through and clean with my foundation. I'm gonna go in with some glitter, some gold glitter in between my snake lines. We all know I'm gonna be late for work, right? I'm gonna put some, just to gold it up some more, I'm gonna put some gold glitter on my eyelid. I'm about to use my Wet n Wild black eyeliner to next, I'm going to take that same dark green and put that right below where I just put that eyeshadow at. And then in the inner corner, I think I'm gonna add some glitter. Well, not really no glitter, some shimmer. Some shim shim.
Girl, you stop saying shim shim. What's ugly?
Oh, no, I'm gonna add some glitter. I like that better. I got so much glitter spilled, I can just tap it on a palette or my desk to pick some up. So I'll put this on my lips. I'm gonna go through and clean that up.
After I hug her and tell her that I love her.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I always loved you. Hold on, now you gotta catch his face.
Oh, bitch, look at me.
Okay, you cute.
I know.
Okay, Medusa.
So this is the final look. I wanted to, I could not wait to use this headband, y'all. I couldn't wait. As soon as I seen it online, I was like, oh, I'm doing Medusa. Straight like that. Straight like that. But the look came out good. My patterns, my scales got messed up, but all in all, the look came out really good and I'm really happy with it. If you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat, and I will see you guys in my next video.